I believe hard work pays off. I believe you should always motivate yourself and take on new challenges. If you're going to make something out of yourself in life, you have to sacrifice. And above all else, I love my family. My name's Jaime-Salinas, and I'm the Assistant Plant Engineer at Caviness Beef Packers in Hereford, Texas. Where's the beef? Well, it's here in Hereford, the beef capital of the world. Caviness is family owned, and for more than 55 years now, we've been the centerpiece at dinner tables across the US and the world.
Hold the meat with your fork and cut the meat. Don't tear it apart.
I joined the team nearly 5 years ago, and it's my job, along with my team, to make sure every machine in the plant is operational and stays operational. I'm 27 years old, and growing up in Hereford, I wanted to be an architect or an engineer. So I took a lot of dual credit classes like trigonometry, pre-calculus, basically every dual credit math class I could take. After I graduated, I moved on to Texas Tech, where my major was in computer science before switching to industrial engineering. So once again, math became very important. I took the core industrial engineering classes, as well as chemistry and physics. It wasn't easy, but in 2014, I graduated with my degree, and a month later, Caviness hired me. And now I help oversee over 50 employees. Even my brother Julio works here. If I had to describe myself, I'm very detail-oriented, and I lead by example, and also like to follow the rules. There's more than 300 machines that keep this place running, and at any point, any one of them could stop working. It's my job to make sure that doesn't happen. That's where all that math I learned comes into play. The biggest challenge I had coming out of college was learning to adapt. There were times where I thought I wasn't using my degree the right way, but I learned the different opportunities that Caviness has to apply my knowledge. And when they say that's the smell of money, they're right. My story is not so different from anyone else's. You might think that the lessons that you're learning now won't help you, but trust me, they will. What I would like to say is never be afraid of change and always try something different. Adapt. You can do anything you set your mind to. Tú puedes hacer todo lo que te propongas.